everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday, the 1st of December today, so we're very excited. It's finally sort of Christmas time and the end of 2020 is upon us at long last. So sorry if you can hear the background noises, that's just part of life. The washing machine is going pretty hard in the background, so apologies for that. So I've got a few things to do today as per my list, so I need to double check it, but I know I have a few sort of lit review things to do today since I got the big other tasks sort of done yesterday. And I need to do a little bit of teaching this evening for the drama school that I work with, and that's not till like 4:30, so even more closer to 5 really by the time I'll be there, so it doesn't really interrupt my work day at all. And then apart from that, I need to get out for a walk. I didn't get out for a walk this morning because I woke up feeling terrible, just like really not run down, but like I just felt like I couldn't get up and I had a bit of a headache, so I just decided to stay in bed for a little bit longer. And I just sort of took it easy this morning, like I did my admin stuff, and now it's like 9, so probably closer, what time is it? About 9:15, so I'm gonna start getting, you know, my actual work done now, and I'm gonna take it a bit easy until break time. So just about to have some breakfast, same as usual, and then probably get started on work around 10 this morning. Not too bad. I got the two things that I wanted to get done this morning done. I'll be honest, I didn't add a huge amount into the two sections that I needed to work on today, and I don't know if I will because I like how they're looking, and yeah, I think I'll leave those for the moment until I do my final read through later in the week. I wouldn't say I did amazing work there. I definitely, you know, I browsed a tiny bit of Christmas shopping during that time, but like, you know, it's December, what can be expected? It's difficult to stay focused during this time, but I'm hoping that I will be able to later on because the section that I need to work on is definitely more difficult. For the moment though, I'm going to get Lola ready to go out on a WALK. Actually, I need to edit my vlog from yesterday, so that's probably what I'll do after I come back from my walk. So yeah, I'll need to edit that vlog pretty quick, so that's something that I wanted to start doing early mornings these couple weeks if I'm doing Vlogmas. I don't know, who knows how it'll go, but that I would wake up early, get my admin stuff done for the theatre school, and then get like an hour of editing done in the morning. But this morning that didn't happen, so it needs to happen this afternoon. Oh Lola, I caught you, yes I did. Now it's time to go. Okay, so it is 3 o'clock. When I came back from my walk, I just had a little salad for lunch, which was really nice for a change. And then I actually got straight back into work, but in a little bit of a distracted way because my sister, she's on nights, so we watched some My Kitchen Rules at lunchtime. So we did that, and I actually managed to get what I wanted to get done. So now it's 3 o'clock and I need to edit my vlog from yesterday. So that's what I'm doing. I have maybe a little bit over an hour to get this done. So that should hopefully work out. And then I'll be pretty much done for the day because I actually managed to get more than I thought I would done today. But I also don't feel like I'm up for doing more than I intended today. It's just not one of those days. I feel like trying to think like what way I'm going to label all of these vlogs, and I feel like today is going to be the one that's a less productive day in the life, but a realistic day in the life. So now it's properly time to get some work done. First thing that I'm gonna do is just make a list of all the stuff that I need to do. So I've just finished editing the video from yesterday, so editing the vlog, which is weird because you will have already seen that because I'm hoping to get it up by 5 today. It's weird, it's like I'm living in a parallel universe today. This also got delivered today. Let me know what you guys think. So we've got the cute sort of table and underneath some storage, which is key. So this is nice because it doesn't like block the walkway, it's just sort of there. And we can also like add around a load of chairs, so if we ever were able to have people over again, we would be able to have, you know, a good few people there, and we could also move in that table if we needed to. You can see Lola just having her evening nap. And then we also have like all of our drink stuff in here, so this is like a nice little bar area now. Let me know what you guys think. We need to like get like proper cushions for there, like proper ones for the bench. But yeah, I think it's sort of coming together, so it like matches the kitchen, which is a little messy, but it matches it really well. So now it's about 4:30. I need to just do the finishing touches for getting the video up, like the thumbnail and all that. And then yeah, I have a bit of teaching to do this evening, not a huge amount. Then after that, I'm probably just going to do some other drama stuff, so like planning classes and like organizing some notes. I have this entire wall of notes to organize over the next couple of months. So yeah, lots of organization to be done. Around 2 hours teaching with the drama school. So for those of you wondering how like a day looks where you're working part-time and also working full-time, I typically do my teaching hours in the evenings or like at the weekend, so it doesn't really interfere with my PhD like 9 to 5 situation. Not that I do a 9 to 5, but you know, in theory it doesn't really interfere with that. And I typically would do also some admin hours in the morning that you'll probably see most mornings this week. But yeah, I can do a full video, or at least going into more depth of like, should you work part-time while doing a PhD, if you guys would like to see that. But for now, I would like to at least do something cozy since it's December. So I'm gonna get into my pajamas and see if there's anything good Christmassy to watch on Netflix, because there's sports on downstairs, so unfortunately I can't get the big TV. So essentially pajamas means getting into the blanket hoodie, which yeah, blanket on the inside and it goes down like to my knees. So this is one of the best things I've ever received. My boyfriend gave it to me a few years ago for Christmas, and I've actually asked for another one this year because I wear this so often that I would like to have another one for when it's in the wash. So yeah, I'll have this linked somewhere because I highly recommend it as a gift. It is perfect, especially if you live in a colder country like I do. The thing I just found a second ago, which is really exciting, is a website where you can make your own digital advent calendar, which is so fun. So I'm going to be doing one of those specifically for the PhD productivity crew, and it means every day at like midnight you'll get access to the next thing, whatever that might be. And I just feel like that's so fun. So hopefully you guys will all enjoy that.